Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shannon and today I'm sharing our front door makeover project. I've been wanting to start DIYing my way through our home since we moved in 1 year ago, and I'm finally getting started with this first small project. I mean, it sounded small, but it did take me the better part of a week to get done. I can't wait for you to see the finished project. The door is black. I'm going to use a primer first, and I never know if you're supposed to make the primer perfect, like coat it on until it's perfect and you can't see any of the underlying color, but I kind of just slop it on just to get it covered over most of the underlying paint color. I'm using Bare exterior paint and primer in a pretty dark blue color called Adirondack. I can't say it. I don't know. Adirondack blue. Still not sure if I'm saying that right or if I ever will, but it has really nice coverage. I asked for opinions on paint colors, and I was actually 100% on board with a lighter blue color called French Colony. You can see me testing it here on the left side of the door before I painted the whole door. But once I saw it next to the brick and in the natural light, and also after staring at the swatches on the inside of my door all weekend, I decided that the Adirondack blue just looked way better for a front door. I like the gray undertones, and the lighter blue just looked a little more like a nursery color or something like that once I saw it on the door. I had a hard time deciding how much of the door and frame I should paint, and after staring at it for many hours, I decided to paint the main door and the two insets on the side of the door. And I'm so glad I did, because it makes the door look larger and just totally upped the curb appeal of our home overall. I also decided to paint the inside of the door, so I just mirrored exactly what is happening on the outside of the door, but on the inside. Our home was built in 1990, and the inside of the house definitely has all the beige and brown paint colors of the 90s and early 2000s. I don't know what work has been done on it since or what updates have been done on it since. The kitchen feels pretty modern and updated overall, even though I do plan on painting it. But other than that, I really don't know what has been done to the inside of the house since it was built in 1990. The office and dining room are a really pretty navy color, and I will probably leave them like that for now. But for the rest of the house, I'm really excited to start adding some color and some of my style to make it feel more like home. I love how the inside of the door looks now, and this really pretty glass definitely pops a lot more with the blue. This morning I did a second coat, and while that was drying, I ran to Target to look at doormats. I got this pretty area rug that has different shades of blue. It feels really summery and matches the door so well. Then I just used this really simple oversized welcome mat. I thought simple was better overall here. I wasn't sure about the combo, but I actually really love it with the door. Then here is where I am most surprised. I found these gorgeous white planters at HomeGoods. They're really heavy, but I had in my mind that I wanted something navy, but I love the size and shape of these. So I was fully planning on painting them either navy or black and getting some white flowers. But once I put them on the porch, tell me this isn't giving Diane Keaton coastal grandmother aesthetic in the best way. I'm really loving it. But my question to you is, if I keep them white, what kind of flowers would you put in here? Or would you paint them navy or, I don't know, a different color? I really did not think there was any chance I was going to like them white. I am torn a little bit, but it looks so different from the way it started out with the black door and the white sides. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow along on my next DIY project, as well as easy recipes and mom life, basically whatever pops into my brain next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.